Hello there, my name is Alma and today I'm going to be making my sister's prom dress. Before we start, I just want to say this is not a tutorial. And did I research? I did not because we go with the flow. I feel optimistic even if I don't think it's going to be that easy, but we're just gonna go with it, okay? Let's go to my workshop now. I'm just kidding, it's the ugly room. Cat. Oh, boy. Baby. Baby. Can you see me? I don't know if you can see me. Okay, I did a couple of drawings before this. I drew a couple of different dresses and this one is the one I chose. So I'm making this for my sister. Fortunately, our measurements are almost the same. Our height is also almost the same. She's a little bit taller. My younger sister is a little bit taller. Let me show you our fabrics. So this is going to be the down layer. The shiny fabric that everybody loves. I love it. Not really my color, but the first layer. This is going to be the first layer. Then I have this thick tulle. This is going to be for the underskirt. Then I have, honestly, my favorite, you know, this is very like nightgown, yes. Why don't you do right like some of the men do? Get out of here and give me some money too. Woo! Okay. Then I have this big tulle. My idea with this is to put it over the dress. I'm going to make the dress by layers. If I decide that it doesn't look good, then I just don't use it, you know, it's okay. Okay, the last one, this, I'm not even sure if we're going to use it. If I don't use it on the dress, I might make like a cape. Okay, because woo, it's flowy. I didn't warm up, so maybe that didn't sound that good, but no one cares actually. So as you can see, I started by the underskirt, or petticoat if you will, because I was scared of screwing up the dress. Well, I was all optimistic thinking, this is going to be fast because I have a sewing machine. No, you don't. You cannot sew with a sewing machine. You sew by hand, okay? Welcome to a random part of this video. Actually, pointless. So I have these things that are actually were part of these shoes. Like here, you see, it's kind of. What if I make earrings with this? This might work, or maybe not. Oh my god, this is probably not going to be the earrings that go with the dress, because the dress is meant to be like cute and romantic, and these earrings are definitely not that. Could I go to a gala actually with these? Maybe. Anyways, let's get back to what I was doing. And what I was doing was sewing the rest of this tulle material. Oh yeah, you see? Obrigada.
Está na altura de olhar para o amor. Para o amor. Estás a compreender a mão?
Sim. Beijinho, tchau. Well, anyways, love you, Grandma. Then I still had to sew the rest of the skirt, right? The underskirt. And then I tried it on to see if it fit. And yes, it fit. You can see, yes. What is up, gamers? Today, we are doing the hard part, the beginning of the actual dress. I'm kind of scared because I don't want to screw up and waste material. But we just have to go with it. I have some paper to draw, to plan. I need to plan. So I'm going to plan it, then cut it, then sew it, then it boom, done. Amazing, wow, best dress. Yes, queen of the prom. Let's go. Well, at this point, I had absolutely no idea how I was going to make the dress. As you can see, I'm measuring myself with a ribbon. Not even a measuring tape, a ribbon. But does it really matter? No, because it worked, okay? And why did I decide to make a rectangle? Well, why not? Literally the only reason. Yes, now you can see that I'm cutting. Do not cut on cardboard because that's terrible. Cut on something a little more sturdy, okay? I just want to say that during this time, I had a lot of people telling me that this is not how you do it. You shouldn't do it like this. But I only care about the end result, okay? You can tell me how many times you want that this is not how you do it. There's better ways to do it. And maybe I'll listen to you, maybe I won't. But for this, I did not listen to anyone and I just did it based on my intuition, really. I really wanted to know how much could I do without knowing anything. You know, it gives a certain thrill. Then I did these drawings, which were my way of choosing what the dress was going to look like from the back, because I hadn't decided yet. I ended up choosing the first drawing, and here you can see me sewing the front and the back, and the front and the back are very similar in their shapes. This stripe of fabric is what is going to hold everything together. Here you can see what it looked like at this time. I really needed someone to, you know, fill the dress so that I could do alterations. And here we are exploring what the dress could potentially look like. Hi. Oh my god, I'm outside. Today the plan is to make the skirt. I have no idea, I have no clue. So the story I wanted to tell you is that, look, I needed to go, I had to go to the optometrist, you know, the people that sell the glasses, and there are two places very close to each other. There's this place, which is where I always go, and then there's this random place, let's call it store B. And I haven't gone there in a long time, a very long time. Okay, I go, and what do? I go straight for this store, and I'm all confident, like, I know what I want, you know, that's, okay. Picture this, you walk into the store, and there's the balcony, okay? And there's a lady standing at the middle like this. There's a man standing in the right, a tall man, very tall man, like this. And there's an older, shorter man here, like this. And they're all, I swear to God, they're all staring at the door, waiting for someone to go in. The thing is, they're speaking to each other, but they're not looking at each other like normal people. They're just standing there. I'm not kidding. They look like NPCs. What the hell? And so I walk in and I start smiling like this. Because I'm like, what the f is going on? And I'm like, oh, hi, I need new contacts. I have a file here. Wait, maybe I don't. Where am I? Oh, store B. I'm sorry. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. I swear. Ah! That was funny. That was funny. I kind of wished I looked back to just see their faces because they were probably like confused as f. Some people would probably feel a little bit awkward or a little bit embarrassed by that, but I don't. I just think it was funny as. Well, anyways, let's maybe continue the video, maybe make the dress, watch some YouTube, Pinterest, web, Google tutorials so that I decide how to make the skirt. I'll probably do the same thing, like do 3 drawings and decide in 10 seconds and just do it. Yes, let's go. Updates. I still don't know. We're just gonna go for it. I'm gonna cut the fabric at the length that I need. Then I'm going to sew with the long stitch. Then I pull it. Then it becomes a skirt. Then I decide how long it needs to be. Then look. It's gonna go well. There's no reason for this to go wrong. There's no reason. Okay, I had to change my outfit because I could not move in that. Okay, now I'm cutting the future skirt. I broke a needle. But thankfully, there were 2 more needles, okay? So, you know, it's okay. I'm trying to fix it, but I don't know how to do this, but I did it. Please don't do the skirt like I did. It's a terrible idea. It doesn't, I mean, in the end, it doesn't look bad, but it doesn't, you know, it could be much better. Then I used pins to hold the top and the bottom together so that I could sew everything and make like the first layer of the dress. I wanted to show you what it looked like, but I had a lot of pins and needles in the ground, so yes, this happened. Amazing. Okay, at this point, we already have a dress, okay, guys? We have a dress. Does it look good? Not exactly, but this is not the end. It feels so good to be this young and beautiful. I'm so successful. I'm positive thinking my way out of whatever the fuck my life is right now. Hola, mamacitas. I just want to finish the dress. I just want to finish the dress. The base of the dress is already made, but if I wanted the dress to look just like that, I would have just bought a dress, you know. And even though this is the first piece of clothing that I'm making, not even a dress, the first piece of clothing, it has to have a little bit of a, whoa, what is that? Whoa. So here is kind of like what the dress is going to look like, but I need to stitch it, obviously, and other things, obviously, like, yes. My sister actually bought shoes to go with the dress. Here they are. They look a little bit like Cinderella, and the color of the dress also looks a little bit like Cinderella, but with the veil on top, it looks more like a Greek goddess. And yeah, let's go. Okay, here was the process of putting that tulle over the dress that we already have. You know, it took way longer than I thought it was going to, and it was definitely not that easy. Then I had to sew everything, and thankfully it worked on the machine, you know, because I was not about to sew everything by hand, but I had to sew this on myself because I didn't have a model to help me, you know, but it's okay. I had a mirror in front of me. I was, it worked. Yeah, I just left those images because it was very aesthetically pleasing in my opinion. Okay, now I had to cut the tulle on the dress because it was way too long, and I needed my sister to be inside the dress. Then I added these details, and this is going to make a huge difference in what the dress looks like. And then I broke another needle. But it's okay because I found one, and so we can do this. We can finish this. It's the last one. Anyways, let's get back to the dress. Look at this amazing shot of my ass. Wow, that's what the dress was looking like. Wow, that's so pretty. Oh my god, wow. Then it was time to make the cape. It was almost all the fabric, but I still had to cut a little bit off, This is how much was left. I could make like a scarf or something. Then I had to sew it, and it was surprisingly easy. The fabric was very easy to work with, very nice. I had a croissant waiting for me in the kitchen. But somebody ate my croissant. Why would you do that? Why would you eat my croissant? Do not eat my croissant! I'll never ask for too much. Okay, let's get back to making the cape, okay? I just had to sew like the little details that was missing, yes. And then I did like a photo shoot because I felt very cool. I don't know how to explain this specific picture, but for some reason I love it. Wow, here it is, the dress without the cape. It looks pretty, it looks majestic, it looks, wow, Greek goddess, yes. And why is the music building up? I don't know, it's just my face, okay? Hello, it's me, yes. Okay, here you can see the cape. Okay, it gives an amazing contrast, I would say, yes. And the blue sky makes it look even prettier. Look at it. So pretty, oh my god, what? Even my hair looks good there. Look, the wind is passing. Oh my god, look at me. I was looking at the bee. Actually, I was looking at the bee, okay. Oh my god, she looks so innocent and sweet. Haha, or so you thought. And here are some pictures of what my sister actually looked like. Obviously, I did the makeup and the hair because, I actually feel bad for her, Imagine having such a cool and awesome older sister. Like, can't relate. Hi. So, there's some important things that I need to tell you. Okay, why was I able to make this dress? Because I started with the mentality of, if I screw up, I'll just fix it. And it's made such a big difference. I was really able to put myself in that headspace of, it's not that big of a deal to make mistakes. You can just fix it. There's always a way to fix things. And I'm going to incorporate that in my life I'm going to incorporate that in my life. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it was chaotic like I intended it to be, because that really represents me and I want to be authentic. That's going to be it. And if you enjoyed, I would really appreciate it if you commented and you share and you like and you subscribe, you know. I'll see you next time for something completely different and random. This channel is not going to be for dresses, for dressmaking. When I started the dress, I already knew I was gonna finish it. Like, I had no experience, but I knew that I was going to finish the dress and the dress was going to be good. I didn't know it was going to be this good though. But here we are. That's going to be it, babes. Hope you have a wonderful day, night, evening. I hope you're able to find happiness in the little things, even when life doesn't go the way we want to. Someday things will be better. That is always what happens in the end, okay? Why am I getting so deep? I don't know. Okay, bye.